recording.
You're starting. Bob, sit. No, sit. Good. No, sit. Good. Sammy, sit. No. Who's sitting? Good. Sammy. No. Sammy. Bob. Good. Who's sitting? Sit. Good. Victor. Good boy. Sammy. Sit. Sit. Good. Very good. Okay, Tina. Sit. No. Sit. Good girl. Oh, what a good girl. Okay, Frankie. Bob, sit. Bob, sit. Oh, no. Bob. Good. Okay, Frankie. No, this is Oz. Oz, sit. Good. No. Good, Tina. Good. All right. Okay, Victor. Victor, sit. Sit. Good, Bob. Oz, sit. Good. Good. Very good, Victor. Oh, Tina. Wait. Good girl. Hi, how are you, Frankie? Frankie, come here, you silly boy. Come here, Frankie. Come on. He's so excited. Okay, Darth. Sit. Good. Sammy. Good. Frank. Oh, sorry, that's Oz. Good. Okay. Bob. Good. Tina. What a good girl. Sammy, sit. Good boy, you're a smart little boy. Victor. Good. I think they're getting it. Victor, wait. Good. Do you have it? There. Oh, Tina. Tina, you're next. Wait. Tina. No, sit. Sit. Who's sitting? Good. Bob. Victor. Good. Bob. Good. Oz. Sit. Sammy. Sit. Good. And this is little Darth. Oh my goodness. Bob. Very good. Can you sit for me? Oz, sit. Crazy boy, sit. Victor, you got it. I'm sorry, Sammy, here you go. You did good too. Tina, good girl. Frank. Bobby. Oz. Oh no, this is Victor. Sit. Good. Where's that silly boy? He's more interested in play than treats. Hi. And I thought Sammy was slow. This guy is just into his own thing. Maybe he just doesn't have a clue as to what it is I'm offering. Yeah. Have a little taste of that. Good. Bob is super smart. Victor is too excited. So is Oz. And Sammy is turning out smarter than I expected. Very good. Let me get more treats. All right. So you can just